Sometimes awakening begins when the life you built no longer matches the deeper life trying to emerge within you. At first, it doesn't always arrive dramatically. Sometimes it feels like exhaustion, sometimes anxiety, emotional heaviness, or a strange dissatisfaction you can't quite explain. Sometimes it feels like success without peace. You may look around at your life and realize that from the outside, everything appears normal, maybe even successful. But inside, something feels disconnected. Something feels crowded. You begin noticing the way you've been living, the constant thinking, striving, reacting, controlling, worrying is no longer bringing the sense of meaning or connection you hoped it would. And for many people, that realization becomes frightening because the mind immediately asks, then what do I do now? But maybe the better question is, what if this discomfort is not the end of something, but the beginning? A new road. Because many times in life, awakening begins the moment the old way stops working. There comes a point where the endless mental noise no longer feels intelligent. It feels exhausting. The constant need to analyze every conversation, predict every outcome, replay every hurt, defend every opinion, and control every uncertainty begins to wear down the nervous system and disconnect us from the present, from the love, from the joy in our life. You realize you've spent years trying to think your way into peace while your body remains tense, your breath shallow, and your spirit quietly sits there waiting underneath all of that noise, waiting for connection, waiting for authenticity. And quietly, almost beneath the surface of your normal life, something begins calling you toward another way of being, a peaceful way of being, a meditative, loving way of reacting and living life. Not necessarily a religious life, don't get me wrong, not running away from the world, but a deeper way of walking through the world, a slower way, where you no longer feel the need to react to every thought or rush through your life as if your worth depends on speed. That was so my life. And then a quiet walk happened, a moment of stillness, sitting outside in the morning light or simply breathing deeply for a few seconds begins to feel more nourishing than constant stimulation. What you are afraid of is actually something you've needed all along. You realize that peace does not usually arrive through force, it arrives when the mind finally loosens its grip on life. A more aware way happens where you start noticing your patterns instead of automatically becoming them, where you catch yourself before spiraling into old fears or emotional loops, where you begin observing your thoughts instead of drowning inside of them. And in that observation, something extraordinary starts to happen. You discover that awareness itself is different from the chaos moving through the brain. Thoughts come and go, emotions rise and fall, stories constantly change, but awareness remains.